What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna do an AC blower motor swap. My AC blower motor sounds like it's going bad, and it's hot as hell here in July. So I'll turn it on, let you guys take a listen, and we're gonna go from there. Check it out. Okay, so turn on the AC. Hopefully you can hear that loud sound. And it isn't blowing like it used to. First thing you got to do is take off this bottom little cover. And it has these little tabs here. And all you do is push them in and they come right off. There's 4 tabs. And that sits right under the AC blower motor. Okay, so here is the blower motor. Hopefully I have this in good frame. I think there's about 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Hopefully you guys can see that. And we're gonna just go ahead and find the proper tool, take it out, and go from there. Okay, so now what you wanna do is get an 8mm socket, and this should take out the 3 bolts. Okay, I loosened the 3 screws, and as you can see, I got the motor loose, and I'm gonna disconnect this tab and take the motor out. Okay, so here's the old motor, here's the tab. Just get a screwdriver, comes right out, and there's your motor, free. Okay, here's the new motor. Right, and for anybody, this is a 07 Avalon, so there goes your part number. There we go. And installation is just reverse of removal. And real quick, here's a bonus tip. I dropped the screw behind this carpet, so you got to be very careful when you take out that last screw. It doesn't fall back here, because it'll probably be a real mission now to get it out. All right, when you're reinstalling the new motor, this piece right here, you're gonna line that to the piece underneath. I'll show it to you real quick. And it's right there, guys. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, also looks like you can use a flathead screwdriver or one of those other, looks like one of those T or whatever they call type of, other type of screwdrivers with the multiple teeth, of a star or something like that, whatever it's called, but keep that in mind also. All right, so you just install the electrical tab right back into the new motor. All right, so now let's put it back in. Boom. It locks right in place. All right, guys, you got to get your hands, one hand to hold it, so it's kind of hard for me to film, but you can get it in here. All right, so now, guys, I'm just tightening up all the bolts that I hand tightened. Make sure they're all snug. One in the back is the trickiest one. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see what we're working with. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah. Very nice. No noise. The air is definitely a lot stronger. All right, last but not least, we just got to install this cover panel right back up under here. It's pretty simple, and that should do it. All right, guys, so hopefully this video will help you change your blower motor in your Avalon, Camry, or whichever Toyota model that has a similar setup. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button, and thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.